Echeveria hybrid, Arctic ice. Beautiful. Echeveria hybrid, Arctic ice. This one is Golden Glow, Stone Crop, Sedum hybrid. Beautiful. Here's my last plant. I forgot the name. I have to look it back up on the computer. I'm about to transplant, repot. Well, I'm repotting. Antoinette, look at the plant you sent me. Look at the roots on it. Look at that. I'm about to repot it in this big old pot right here. Thank you very much. It's getting babies on it and everything. Look at the babies hanging. See them? I'm wagging it. Thank you. It's gorgeous. But I gotta see about keeping it in shade. And here go the other one. Look how big it got. Remind me the name of this plant, Antoinette. It's in the cup still. I'm about to put it in a big pot too. Hey, thank you so much. I'm about to share my little gardening video. And look at this calicoli, I call it. I'm mispronouncing the name, got so big. With these rosette button plants, I'm gonna try and send you, well I ain't gonna try, I'm gonna send you some more of these. Hopefully they making it. Hopefully one you got is surviving. And y'all, look at my rosemary, still hanging in. Got some purple flowers on it. This is not the edible one. This is a ground spreader. I have to get me an edible rosemary. Some of them you eat, some of them just for decor. I guess you could try to eat it, but I'm not. So, yeah, I repotted my monstera that I propagated. And I put some companion spider plants in there, which I don't know. You know, my cute little propagated snake plant in this cute little pot I made. I bought this, I guess, from Lowe's or Home Depot. Y'all remember my propagated snake plant? Look how big and full it's got. Y'all see that? This is one of my new plants. That one hanging in there, trying to get it get bigger. Another one of my new plants. Well, let me get back down here and repot this plant and share this video with y'all. Thank you guys in advance for watching. And Renee, excuse me, not Renee, Antoinette. Hi Renee, I said your name too. Thanks for sending me some okra seeds. Y'all, hope y'all went over there and subscribed to Renee's channel as well as Antoinette's channel. They are in my community shout out, where I shouted them out in my community. Whole bunch of people over there. Y'all can check out and make friends with, subscribe. They're great supporters. Go check them out. All right, in a minute. I just realized, y'all, this is the prayer plant that I'm repotting, and this is the spider plant, the pretty one, in relation to this one that has the white cream in the center, and this one has the cream on the outside and the dark green, light green. It rained out here a couple of days and everything did good by it. I'm running from all these big old black June bugs or bumblebees. One of them. But anyway, just wanted to share me repotting my plant, my prayer plant. I don't know what, that's like a big old giant gallon size planter. That's gonna be a big old plant. Let me show y'all if I'm gonna get chased by a bee. Hurry up. Show you the spider plant. There it is right there in the big old gallon pot. I guess y'all can see it. Let me get out of here because bees is everywhere. Y'all, in this gardening update share, I want to thank my friend Chanina. Y'all, I'll put her name in the description box. She's in my community thing where I shout out some of my YT friends. And these are some puzzles she sent me. Thank you, girl. I appreciate it. I love Suzudo. And you sent me crossword, so I have to work on the crossword puzzles. I'm not too good at that, but I am good at Sudoku. Thank you very much. Hi to Olivia too. Hi to your family. Thank you very much. Y'all go check her channel out. Everybody I mentioned in this gardening video, I'm gonna put their name in the description. Hi Patricia. Hi sis, how you doing? I'm gonna check your videos out, y'all.